When you go to YouTube and search for kids' educational videos on community workers, you will discover that almost all of them have got millions of views. I will show you how you can create kids' educational videos using EdMaker. EdMaker is a user-friendly editing software with easy-to-use AI tools. Some of their tools includes AI video generator, text-to-speech, AI avatars, just to mention but a few. When you come to your left and click on Toolbox, you will find a number of AI tools that you can take advantage of in your production. Now, our first step in creating these educational videos, we need to have an engaging lesson. And there are many ways on how we can write this educational lesson for our video. Just come to ChatGPT and give it a prompt as simple as this one. Give me a list of 10 community workers and have each greet the kids in a few simple words. And we can click on generate to allow it generate the script for us. And once ChatGPT has finished generating the script for us, we can look at how the script looks, and if there are words that we have to change, we can simply do that by copying the entire script and pasting it into a Google Doc. Make sure you play with your lesson so that you can make it very engaging and very educative to your audience. Once you're done editing your text, what you're supposed to do is come back to ChatGPT. Once you're there, give it this second prompt that says, now for each of these workers, generate prompts I will use to generate images using AI tools like Design AI and Leonardo AI. I will click on generate and I will wait for ChatGPT to generate the prompts for me, and from there I will go to step number 2, which is generating images using the prompts that ChatGPT has provided us. You can use any text to image AI tool that you're happy with. So just come to Design AI. I will leave the link in the description below. So once you're there, just click on New Project. The first thing that you need to do is to give a name to your project. And from there, choose the aspect ratio. We're going to select 16:9. And from there, click on Apply. From there, we're going to select Text to Image. And we'll go back to ChatGPT. We'll copy the first prompt that it has provided us. Come back to Design, and we're going to paste our prompt there. Once our prompt is pasted, we're going to select a style of images that we want. So we'll just click on this button and we're going to select Design 3D Render V1. And once that is done, we will click on Generate. Design has generated the images for us. I love the quality of the images that it has generated. This is the first image and this is the second image. This is just so amazing. To save these images in your PC, just click on this download button here and click on download, and your images will be saved into your PC. So you repeat the same process, go back to ChatGPT, copy the second prompt, come back to Design, and paste your prompt there and click on generate. So you keep on repeating the same process. Once all our images have been generated and have been downloaded into our PC, this takes us to step number 3, which is generating an audio for our lesson. And to do that, we're going to use an AI tool called 11 Labs. Just come to 11 Labs. I will leave the link in the description. Once you are here, come to where it says a text to speech. From there, we'll go to our document and we're going to copy the script for our first community worker and we'll paste the text there. Then the second thing that we're supposed to do is choose a voiceover. Our first community worker is a male, so we're going to look for a male voiceover. So just come to voices and select a voice that will be suitable for your character. Once you select your voiceover, the next thing that you're supposed to do is click on the generate button. If you're happy with the way it sounds, click on download. I really love the way it sounds. That's why I've downloaded it into my PC. From there, you're going to repeat the same process of generating your audio for each and every community worker that you'll be talking about. Then once that is done, this takes us to the final step, which is step number 4, one of the most important steps of the entire video, which is editing our video. And the tool that we're going to use is Hidpo EdMaker. I will leave the link in the description so that you can download it into your PC. One of the most important things that we're going to do is to make our characters open their mouth and talk. So to do that, we will come to the AI avatar, click on it like that. Once the entire interface opens up, the next thing that we're going to do is we will come to this panel here and we'll scroll down a little bit. Here where it says select an avatar, we can select an avatar, that's if we want to, but we already have our own images. So we're going to click on this button so that we can upload the image of a character whom we want to talk. So click on it and we'll start with the first one, who is a police officer. From here, we're going to click on this photo option and we're going to click on the import button. You can drag and drop, that's if you want to. But we'll select our first police officer like that and we'll click on open and we'll wait for it to process the entire image. From there, we're going to click on confirm. And once the image is imported, we're going to select it like that. The next thing that we're going to do is we'll scroll up a little bit and we'll come to this button that says local audio. So you can type in your text and generate an audio from here, or you can upload an audio that you've just generated, or you can record your own voice. I'll just click on local audio and I'm going to import my own audio file here. So once our audio file has been imported, the next thing that I'm going to do is we're going to click on this button that says generate so that we can make our image open its mouth and talk to the kids. We'll wait for the video to do the video lip sync and from there give us the results that we want. So our avatar has been generated. I started with a teacher, then I went to the police officer. So to download this video, what you're supposed to do is click on the video and drag it on the timeline like that. Then the export button here will appear on top. So from there, what you have to do is click on the export button, give a name to your video. From there, select a folder where you want to save your video. And once that is done, come to the export button here and export your video. So from there, what we're going to do, since we have a lot of images which we have to convert into an avatar, what we're supposed to do is come back to the avatar button here and click on the plus icon and click on the photo. Click on import file, go to your next community worker and click on open. From there, click on confirm. Or once your character is uploaded, what you just have to do is import the audio file. And once your audio is uploaded, just click on generate. And from there, you keep on repeating the same process before we do the final editing. One thing I've just noticed is that the mouth is not moving as much as it's supposed to be. And once we are done making all our characters talk, the next thing that we are supposed to do is to bring all of them to the timeline. So we've got the first one who is a firefighter. So we're going to grab our teacher and we're going to place our teacher here. We'll zoom out a little bit so that we can have more room. And from there, we'll bring our chef like that. Then we'll bring our police officer like that. So the next thing that we can do once we are done bringing our media to the timeline, it's by adding some transition and any effects that we pleases. So to start with, we're going to add some transitions. So just come to transition here on top like that. We can select any of these transition. I'll select the first one. I'll grab it and I'll drop it between my two media files like that. And the transition will be added. So I'll keep on repeating it to all my files. Once you're done adding in your transition, you can come to your top right corner and there is a panel with a number of things that we can add to our video. We've got some text effects, we've got some elements, we've got some audio files, we've got some filters, we've got other effects. We also have the subtitle effects. So what we're going to do is, while subtitle is still selected, we're going to add some subtitles to our video. We'll leave our original language to auto detect and we'll scroll to the bottom. We've got different styles. We've got still styles and we've got dynamic styles. So while this dynamic is selected, I'll select this one. And from there, I will click on auto subtitling. Okay, and once your auto subtitles have been generated, take your time, check out how they look and edit them where they're supposed to be edited. You can also add some effects to your videos. That's if you want to. And you can also add some elements like the like buttons and the subscribe button to your video. That's if you want to add those elements. We've got a ton of them and just take your time and make your videos very stunning. And once you're done editing your video, the next thing that you're supposed to do is come to the export button, download the video into your PC, and it is ready to be uploaded on your YouTube channel. Thank you, HitPo, for sponsoring this video. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. I would really love to hear from you. From here, God bless you. See you in this next video.
Hey there! I'm a firefighter. I help put out fires and keep people safe.
Hello, I am teacher Virginia. Learning is fun, and I'm here to teach you new things.